Great Britain, UK100, trend decider is 7,746. As the price moved above this level and that price marched northward to the level of 7,904, which is the resistance 2. It touched dot on resistance 2, again touched dot on resistance 2 and corrected to 7,871 at the closing of this week. All the levels walked like a rock. Nikkei 225 trend decider is 27,650 and it moved from this and yield a gain of 1,000 point and close very near to the final resistance of 28,668. BankNifty trend decider is 41,136 and as it moved above without a single stop loss managed to reach to the resistance 2 of 42,137 successfully and closed near to it only. Gold formed the high in year 2011, September 2011, and the top was 1,921. And thereafter, this top was being taken and formed a new high of 2,075 in August 2020. Retested, double top, dot on it. That was 2,070. The top was of 2,070 on 1st March 2022. There was a big correction. It corrected to 1,615 or 14 in the month of September 2022. And last week, the formation of triple top, although it could not manage to touch 2,075 but came very close to it, to the level of 2,048, and from there just on Friday it corrected in a big way. $45 were wiped out just in a one single day, one of the biggest fall in a one single day. After looking at this chart, any of the student want to comment on it? What is the reading by looking at this gold monthly chart? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Next week is again important. Key important events are declaration of India WPI, China Q1 GDP, UK, Europe zone and Japan CPI data, and of course Q4 earnings are on the card. HCL Tech, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, Hindustan Zinc among major Q4 earnings this week. In last week, 3 topmost companies declared their results: HDFC Bank, Infosys and TCS. Market responded to the results of TCS and waiting to respond on the results declared on Saturday, Sunday by HDFC Bank as well as Infosys. Will the recession come or not in America? And then it will spread to the whole world. This is a big question. Any of my student wants to make comment on it, most welcome. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students.